of this function. Okay, so we have a quotient. So to find its derivative, we need to use the quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? So when we have, let's say, u, a function on the top, b on the bottom, and we want to find the derivative, that is b squared on the top u prime b minus b prime u. So I'm gonna use this formula to find its derivative. So that is then f prime x equals, on the bottom is squared, x plus e to the x quantity squared. On the top, derivative of top, that's the u prime. So 2 minus x ex prime, derivative of top, times the bottom, x e to the x plus e to the ex, minus in the middle, derivative of bottom, x plus ex prime, times u, that's the top, 2 minus x e to the x. Okay, so now we need to find derivative of this factor and this factor, then we are done. So on the bottom there is x plus e raised to x quantity squared. On the top, derivative of 2 is 0 minus, so we don't have to write 0, minus derivative of x e to the ex. Oh, derivative of this means a product. So in the middle we need to use product rule. So I'm gonna find derivative of x ex. Okay, instead of writing everything, I'm gonna do over here and put that in. Okay, so here x e to the x, and I want to find its derivative. It's a product, and we know the product rule. When we have u times v, and when we find its derivative, that's u prime v plus v prime u, product rule. So derivative of first factor times second plus derivative of second factor, derivative of ex is itself, times first. So that's it, 1 ex plus exx. In fact, from these two we can factor ex out, that leaves 1 plus x. So this derivative, the derivative of this factor is, derivative of 2 is 0, no need to write, minus derivative of x ex is found here, that is ex 1 plus x, times, we still have this, x plus e to the x, minus, now I need to find derivative of these two terms, which should be easy. Derivative of x is 1 plus, I'm getting two terms, so must put parentheses around, plus derivative of ex is ex. And here is 2 minus x ex. Okay, and this should be it, but because we found the derivative, the calculus is over. Now we might want to simplify a little bit on the top. Let's see what we can do here. There is no common factors. Okay, I can see here ex times 1 plus x, x plus ex do not cancel with this because there is a negative sign. Here 1 plus ex is a block, 2 minus x ex block. I mean, there is nothing we can do. We can multiply, that becomes even bigger. So this is it, final.